So these are round nose pliers, and as you can see, they've got two tapered round edges on them, and they're used a lot for doing any kind of looping. So in another video you'll see how to make an eye pin or an eye loop, and you can use the round nose pliers to do that. And it has, you'll see ones that are flat on one side and round on the other. That's always a possibility, but I find that these are just starting simple with this type of round nose plier is really handy. And another thing you can note about them is sometimes they have this little screw on the side. And if you find like if you're trying to do some wire wrapping and it's not working and you can't close it all the way, you may just have to adjust the screw so that they can close flush like that.